Hello everybody, and thank you for watching Copper State Treasures. My name is Jason. I am a licensed medical professional at a Trauma One and also a U.S. Army veteran. I'd like to talk to you today about the SOG ParaShears. I just got these in. These are brand new on the market. Big shout out to Amanda Howe. She actually works for the SOG group out in Washington. She was able to get these sent over to me just in time for me to make a nice video for you guys. And I'm pretty excited to get this box open for you. That's what we're going to do today. My second video will actually be a demonstration. So if you're wanting to see what this tool can do under normal conditions, please watch the other video as well. So we're going to dive right in. The box came just as you see it. Fairly simple. It's got a glass front so you can see the inside. On the back, there's a diagram of all the tools that are on the SOG. It comes with 11 tools as opposed to the 5 with the Leatherman Raptor. This tool weighs about 4.8 ounces, super light. The steel is that JCR13 stainless steel. It's supposed to be just as good as the 420. So there is no paperwork with this box. Now when I got it, I was a little bit concerned. You know, I haven't really bought one of these SOGs before, so I thought maybe there'd be some kind of paperwork with it. They do not come with that. All the pieces of information that you need come on the box, and they do come with a lifetime warranty. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna see in the box is your sheath. The sheath is made out of nylon. It's available for you to be able to hold this in your sheath folded or open. It has an adjustable back, so you can either strap it to one of your packs, you can also strap it to your belt, or however you want to carry it. Right away, opening this up, I can feel that this is very light in my hand. The handles are very ergonomic. They have a new feature on this. It's called let me make sure I got this right. It's called the compound leverage feature. I don't know if you can zoom in. Right here at the joint of where the shears are, there's a little teeny gear. Instead of there just being one rivet that holds these shears together, there's actually a compound gear in there. It's supposed to make these twice as strong. The action on this is very, very smooth. It makes you feel like you just have to cut something. As a matter of fact, I can't wait to do that. It has very simple folding. It's not hard to operate at all. And then you can see that it fits into the sheath very easily if you want it folded up. And then if you want to carry it open for easier access, it has that option as well. Now there's tons and tons and tons of options on these. The first one I'm going to show you is the belt cutter. It folds out from the side, super easy, locks into place. It also has the glass breaking feature. This actually folds out from the side. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's a very small tip. So if you had to break into the glass if somebody is trapped inside a vehicle, that's what this would be used for. Now if we go on to the other side, we have several options. There's the Phillips head screwdriver. You have a flathead screwdriver. You have the AWL, and you also have a rope cutter, which is this serrated one right here. They all are very highly polished, super sharp. It's easy to maneuver this, and they lock into place. On the other side, you have the tweezers feature, which is kind of new. I thought that would be kind of interesting to look at. And then for all of you who work in the medical field, there's the oxygen key on the back of the handle. It's designed to go right over the top of your oxygen tanks to turn it on or off. These are available from SOG. The price on these is about $74.95. SOG does have a lifetime warranty, and they do offer free shipping to anywhere in the country. They also engrave if you want to have it engraved. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like our channel, like and subscribe, and please look out for our second video, which is going to show us doing some of the trials of this new tool so we can show you how well it works. Thank you.